from my car. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. What is up? It is Thursday here, and I thought I would take you guys through a little day in the life. When I asked you guys what videos you want to see, that was a lot of the videos you guys want to see, so I love that too. So I'm just going to take you guys on a average Thursday for myself. I just finished a live workout, so I'll pop that up here. You guys can find those. I do them on my own page, and then also this one was on Forms. I also want to talk to you guys later. I'm thinking of doing live workouts more often, including Form, and I want to talk to you guys about what days, what you guys think. So stay tuned for that little convo. So as you guys see, I made a smoothie. I am the girl that makes the same smoothie quite often. When you know what you like, you just like easily go for it, especially in the kitchen when you are in a hurry, you're in a rush. You just make the thing that you know how. I don't really try new recipes on the spot. I usually plan it, but also this cup is hilarious. Mine's dirty that I usually would put my glass smoothie in. So I have this, I don't even know what to call this, that's JT's and it says Ghost on it. But I'm gonna drink this while I run to an appointment. I'm getting my blood work done again, so that's just a little check-in that I do quite often with my doctors just to make sure that my body is doing well. We're switching up different supplements and always just on this journey. You guys know if you've been with me, and if you haven't, girl, welcome. I have been going through an acne skin journey for quite some time. I found out I had a hormonal imbalance. So we're just always making sure I'm on the right track, and we are like stripping away supplements to see how my body is doing without them and all these different things. So I'm gonna go get my blood work done, which I'm excited about. Also too, you guys, JT got me a little car thing, and not to vlog actually, but it's working out lovely. He got it for me because he says I'm the worst driver. Like, I'm not joking. We've actually gotten in argument, like not arguments, but we've gotten in disagreements about how bad my driving is, which I don't think it's that bad. But he says I look down all the time to look at my maps. So he got me this thing, but I'm like, this is perfect. I'm gonna use it for vlogging. But I will look at the road when I actually am driving. I'm parked now. And just a little check-in. I want to send everyone love. This will obviously be coming out the next week. But I think this past week I've been talking to a lot of people, and it's just been, how my friend said it, a lot, and I could not agree more. I just feel like it's been a lot, and sometimes I don't even feel like going on my stories because I just feel funky, and when you feel funky, it's just like, I don't know, I just don't feel connected to myself. They did say Mercury is in retrograde right now, which your girl doesn't really even know what that means, but I tell you, every time it is in retrograde, I am feeling it. So I'm here for it when they tell me that, because that makes me feel less crazy. But you are not crazy if you're feeling anything, and just do the things you love a little bit more. It also was a little bit of a rough week because my family's dog passed away yesterday. So it was a really tough day yesterday. It made me think about when JT and I get a dog, which is definitely in the near future. Oh, how hard it's gonna be. Like, it's just, I don't know, it broke my heart. Like, I knew he was old and it was coming, but like my heart was literally in pieces. So it's just been a little bit of a week, but you guys, it always will get better, and I love you guys. Sending you love. On that note, JT and I'm gonna start driving because I'm gonna be late for my appointment, but I'm not gonna look at you guys. On that note, JT and I with the dog, we do really want a puppy, and I've been teasing it on the stories because I'm like, I do really want one. We're talking to the breeder of Jackson. If you guys see this dog, he's on my like vlog stories all the time. I'm babysitting him tomorrow. It's one of my girlfriend's dogs, but I have like a very strong relationship with him. Like, I call me his godmother. Like, I'm just connected to this boy. So I contacted the breeder, and she is possibly breeding another litter, and they're from Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and so I would have to go there to get him, me, JT and I. So if that happens, your girl is getting a dog. So it's just really up to, I'm also open to other dogs, but I just have this crazy connection to Jackson that I'm just like, I think I need his brother or his sister. So I forget which way I'm going. Oh, I'm going right. So anyway, that is our doggy update. I'm going to get some blood work done, and then I'll meet you guys right back here in the car. All right, your girl is back and she didn't. Guys, I was thinking about it too. I know that blood work can be expensive. Like sometimes your insurance doesn't take over all of it. So I think the reason that I think I'm having to do it a little bit more is because I switched doctors, because it's kind of a whole thing. So they just wanted updated work. So usually if you're with one doctor, I don't think you're gonna have to do it as often as I've had, but I do think blood work is something, if your doctor hasn't said to you, let's get blood work done, even for anyone, like my sister was just telling me she hasn't gotten blood work done in a while. She got it done. She had really low energy all the time, and then she realized with her blood work she had insanely low iron. And so I feel like it's just good for anyone to get your blood work done. I don't know how often you're supposed to, but like at least yearly, get it once a year, because I just feel like it is so telling to, I was just talking about this too. All right, we're gonna drive. I'm really liking this car situation. Like, no wonder why people do this. Like, I just feel like I have someone to chat with while I'm in my vehicle. But I was telling someone this too. It's so crazy that for a long period of my life, I felt like, oh, I'm just bloated all the time, or if I'm tired all the time, or for me, my skin, oh, I'm just a girl who has acne. And just realizing that isn't the way it's supposed to be. Like, it's not normal to go through those things. Like, yes, there's days where we feel tired, but say you continuously feel crappy or not great, I don't think that is how we are supposed to feel. Our bodies are trying to tell us something's off, maybe we're deficient in an area. So I think it is really important to get your just like general blood work done and checked out, and make sure, you know, everything is good. Or is there any supplements you can include to up some things to make you feel better and to make your overall well-being better? Because we all know right now that is very important. So all right, I'm gonna head home. Holler. All right, it is time to meal prep a little bit for dinner, because I know that we have an event tonight, and from my shoot that we have from 2 to 5, and then we have the event at 6 to 8. So I'm gonna meal prep dinner so that when we come home from the event, we have food to eat, or we could try to shove it in our mouths before we leave for the event. I just don't know if that's likely. So I'm just gonna meal prep. I'm gonna make some chili, super easy, just put it in the pot. And then I'm also just gonna make lunch right now since I'm in the kitchen. I think I'm just gonna do a nice little Mexican bowl for lunch, because I think I have all the, actually that's a lot of beans for chili. And let me see on lunch, let me see. Okay, I'm actually kind of craving a sandwich right now. So I think instead I'm gonna make like a chickpea avocado sandwich, and then JT will make him a sandwich too. Super easy while the chili's going for dinner. So let's do it, peeps, let's do it. Fam, you know what they need to invent, and please tell me if you know a better option. I just broke both of the sides of my nails because I was trying to open this guy because I want the seasoning, so I want to like pour it out more. Both my thumbs, just broke both my thumbs. So I could like do a knife, but it kind of scares me. Like, what is the way here? Because I'm not doing it. So since we are going to be gone, I'm gonna just put it all into my crock pot. This is another tool that is amazing. I don't use it enough, to be honest. It's kind of big. There is smaller ones, but I feel like it's just kind of big. But I love my air fryer. As you guys know, a crock pot is another tool I think is huge. So what could be great is if you had like a full work day and then don't want to come home obviously and make dinner, is you could just leave the crock pot in the morning with a dish, and it will literally keep it warm and good throughout the whole day so that it's ready for the night. So I just browned my chicken, and then now I'm just gonna put everything in here for my chili dish. I don't know why I keep saying chicken. I just browned my ground beef. For this chili dish, the beans are enough protein, so if you are vegan, this still works for you guys. Not like this is what I eat in a day, but you know, eating is a very huge part of my days. So let's put it all into the pot, and here we go. I actually used that car thing, by the way, to do a vlog this morning.
Huh?
The thing you got me to put up my phone so that I focus while driving.
I have been telling her to get something for me to hold not even for me, for her to put her phone up so she doesn't look down at her phone and then swerve. She's a terrible multitasker. Terrible. I don't even want to get into her driving skills. It's reckless on the road. But regardless, she just needs something to be able to look at the directions while she's driving. Finally, we got one, and now it's a better place to be in the car.
Yeah, it's a good vlogging place. I'm not using it right now because you're driving and I'm in the passenger, but I was gonna make lunch, and then I looked at the time and I was like, oh my gosh, we have to go. So I don't know, for me, sometimes I do this. I feel like I was like, okay, yeah, I have to be there at 2, and then I don't know why I thought I had so much more time, but I totally didn't. So our videographer Dexter, who is incredible, he's at like a lunch spot right now, so he actually texted us offering if he wanted to get us lunch. So he's getting us lunch. So I just got like a salad bowl, but the chili at least will be sitting there ready for dinner because, like I said, we're gonna have to bounce from here to the event tonight. So yeah, I'm feeling slightly flustered, but JT's in a really good mood, so it helps me a lot to be in a really good mood. Let's do this. We got this. Here we go. Pep talk. Now I'm gonna listen to some music, pump myself up. I've been kind of loving listening to Disney movie soundtracks. It's getting me in some type of zone.
Let it go, can't hold it back anymore.
JT's been doing it too, right? Don't lie.
Why would I lie about that? I've been loving Disney music for years. When I was in Europe, cartoons and Disney movies was all I watched. It was all I watched. It's automatic, good vibes.
It really is.
Automatic, good vibes.
I was reading something from Jay Shetty's wife, Radhi, I think that's how you say her name. But she was saying what you watch, what you listen to, what you read, like all just goes into our mind and actually can create. I'm butchering it. I really honestly should read what she said. But pretty much she was like, you're watching murdering shows all the time, or you're listening to this all the time. Like you're going to start, it's going to be harder for you to, I don't know, maybe feel lighter or all these different things. But that didn't make any sense because I can't think right now. Point is,
what she's really talking about is what kind of diet are you placing for your attention?
Oh,
where are you, what are you consuming attention wise? Because she's right. If you watch a bunch of murder shows, if you're watching couples getting in fights, that's going to become your reality. That's going to be what you're looking for in your normal day. And so Disney is a great thing to watch because it's about great things. Love, you know, partnership. What else is Disney about? Happy, joyful.
I feel like it's always like following like your passion, your dreams. It's like finding your way home to like yourself. Yeah. Anyway, I trust me, I love this like really bad reality TV is my jam. I don't know if I could give it up, but I think she's so right. Like what you consume becomes your reality. So just putting that out there, guys. I'm listening to some Disney hits and get the day going. Man of the hour. He brought me lunch. All right, so let's see what I got. I got a really big salad bowl. It's actually so big. Dexter, I love you so much for this. Back home. I'm eating a Nowhere Bakery cookie. Sorry, it's really bright out. Baby, did you have a good day?
I had a good day. I had a great day.
I feel like you had a really great day.
I did have a good day.
I had a good day. I did something that I'm proud of myself for doing, but I'm also hard on myself for doing. I wanted to film more for form today, but honestly, I feel like I was just really tired after doing the live workout this morning. I did film like a cool down as you guys see, but I wanted to even film more, but I just felt like my mind was even tired too. So took a little rest, instead sat and did some work and gave myself a cookie.
You
I
deserved
deserved a cookie.
You deserve the cookie.
These are the best cookies
Yeah.
ever too. Nowhere Bakery, I'm obsessed. Now we're gonna race home, get changed. We got our friend's event tonight. All right, so we are headed to the event. Obviously I have very dirty hair, so I just slicked it back and then did like a little bun, these little things hanging out. And then I put on this Elwood hoodie because the event we're going to is for Elwood, which if you guys don't know, that's my best friend Alyssa. It's our boyfriend's company, so he has a little event tonight. And then I just threw this blazer over it. I gotta remember where I got it because it says Collective on the back, so I'm gonna find it for you guys and link it below because I feel like it's a really good blazer to kind of wear as like an oversize. And then I just paired it with my New Balance shoes. Oh, if only everyone just saw you fall.
Hey everyone.
What are you wearing?
So, my shoes are from APL. My pants are from Balanced. My undershirt is from Elwood. My overshirt is from Elwood. And my hat is from Elefante. It's my Utada.
Holla. I'm just taking my little By Far bag. Super cute. Need to find my lip liner because that's very important. JT always gets so mad at me. He has no patience for when it's time to go. I think I have everything. I think I forgot a mask. Did I forget a mask? I did. Lastly, wanted to show you guys, this is the lip liner that I'm using right now. I'm on my phone, so it's a little bit rough quality, but it's really nice because it's kind of the same color as my lip. And then I kind of just like rub it in to make it look like my natural lip. So this is Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Love Trap. Love Trap?
Oh, this is the Love Trap one?
Love Trap one, baby. Oh, I left my lip gloss inside.
One of a kind.
I might have more in my little pack.
This woman.
But my favorite,
One of a kind.
My favorite lip gloss is Kapari. There's their coconut oil gloss. But I left it in the car. I mean, in the house. And, you know, JT's definitely not going to let me go back in there. So, I think I'm just going to use this Glossier. Sorry, guys, the lighting is just... I'm going to just use this Glossier. There's the hair on it. And just dab it, because this is a little bit too pink for my liking, but... it'll do. Baby, let's do this. Let's go. Let's party. Hello, my loves. It is the next day. Just made myself a green smoothie. Yum. Yum. You guys, before I close out this video, I wanted to chat about an idea I had and wanted to see what you guys thought. I missed doing a lot of the live workouts that I was doing on Instagram with you guys. So I thought it could be a really cool idea to do a live workout every week on Form. So if you are a Form member, we get to do a live workout every Friday together. Friday is also the day I'm thinking, so let me know what you think about that. Friday, 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 p.m. Eastern, the go-to, but we'll always follow the schedule. So if you guys are a member of Form, you can see I lay out a schedule for you guys every single week. So we'll just be on that schedule and do it every Friday. That's what I'm thinking. Let me know your thoughts below. Also, there's so many fun things coming up with Form, which I'm so grateful and excited about. You guys can join the Facebook group if you want to really get in there. And I ask you guys these questions I'm asking you here. I ask the Facebook group because at the end of the day, I want this to be the best thing for you guys. So your input is super, super important to me. So let me know below. Also, as always, let me know what video you guys want to see next. And I'll see you guys next time.